this one for my business. Cause you in my business. Stop, Avery.
Don't do it.
Don't do that. Hive, heart, hive, 5, hive, bug.
That's hive bug.
No. That's
Hive
hive and right. That's hive and bug make the same sound. Does that rhyme? Okay. Chin and fan. Chin, chair. Chin, fin. Right.
I know it. That's totally easy.
Did you save it?
Yes.
So guys, I am Mama India. We are the Coleman Crew family, which we have the Coleman Crew channel, which is this one, as well as the Coleman Crew Kids. I am in the office helping my son with his homework, as well as holding Ira, as well as having this computer in front of me trying to upload a video that is giving me a hard time because I have had the kids record themselves playing the game with the camera, and I got the memory card off the camera and trying to catch this video uploaded or edited, uploaded from my computer to upload on the kids channel, which is the Coleman Crew Kids. But in the midst of all that, I'm being a mother as well, with doing would you be able to print? Doing other duties all in one. I don't know why. Why is this thing giving me a hard time? Convert. No. She trying to eat my hair. I believe Ivan has finished with his homework. It's just trying to do his sight words and stuff. Ira, hold yourself up, girl. She be trying to get into everything. Say hey, y'all. Say hey. Say my name is Ira. Say hey. Hey. I just got an email from Cosmos Ink. I've been having issues with getting my ink for this new baby I have. And was supposed to, I'm sure Ben received my stuff by now. And I've been having to contact customer service, so they making sure I get my stuff today. They sent out today. I'm not sure how long it's gonna take for me to receive it now. I have to contact customer service. You know, I'm a business owner as well, but I don't like to print out my shipping labels until I know for sure that my items are about to be shipped out to the customer. You know, because that's a headache. You thinking you about to get your stuff, having to keep checking and they still don't know step. They ain't even been shipped. So Ivan, I do believe you are finished other than these new sight words that we will have to go over.
No, I wanted to sight word.
Excuse me?
Oh, no.
You might not know them, but it's new sight words that we'll have to go over together, right?
Tomorrow.
You don't put no time limit on when stuff get done. Okay, guys, I'm back. My bad. So, this is a list of kindergarten sight words to prepare him for first grade. However, before he do his specials, which is Bible, music, dance, and whatever it is he have to do, we're gonna go over these sight words. Whichever sight words he do not know, I will highlight them so that he will have to go over them. So you ready? And this is Ivan, the kindergartner. D. So you want me to put a check by the ones you know? Okay.
What? And A. Sad. N. N. Who. At. Me. Y. O. U. And over. I don't know that one.
Try to guess it. IF spells if. Good job.
And me F.
CAN.
C. Oh, that's him. And
AM.
That means M.
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 So this is all your sight words. This is his list. He has some to go over. The ones that's in blue, he will be writing out on a piece of paper.
Okay.
After what time is it? He got time. So go get a notebook from upstairs.
Why not do
So
water?
go get your notebook.
I got water.
You gotta write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, So there is 72 words, and he missed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So he missed 27 out of 72. 27 over 72. So he will be writing these. And he is pouting, but he gonna get it together. What is this? We have a package. Tasty Touch seasoning. Get your notebook and start. Where you pencil it? Good. This one for my business. Cause you in my business. Stop, Avery.
Don't do it.
Don't do that.
Here's the blue one. This older. Actually,
Show y'all what I've
my one.
customized and ordered.
You got this
That ain't letting you. Where them kids at?
up there in your closet, and I will make that room for them.
What room?
The closet, and that's how I did in there.
Right. Why are they in there?
And she said she made that.
You're not using a marker.
Yay! Avery Nurse had made them a whole room in the closet. Okay. Yeah.
We have some
Why do you have
door hangers, door tags. My website. We going around hanging these, y'all. Got the stack on top of stacks. Also have another stack, as well as to invest within yourself, y'all. I don't know, it's just a little notebook. Kind of. Here is Amara supposed to be in class? Where's the babies at? I'm not C3. Can you stop? Where? So I wrote. I can't put my hands in my mouth to flip it. Forgot I'm opening up packages. Front and back. So he will start off on this page and write those words here. Put this in your notebook so we can continue to go over them daily. But this is what you start off with when you finish. Make sure you flip the page over. I also have this. It's a magnet for the vehicles. I have 2 of these to go on both sides. Put that down. I have other items too that's coming. I changed out. I'm about to change out my mouse because this white one here is dirty, as you guys can see. So I got another one. And you can still see Tasty Touch. It's just on black, but I would have changed that color out if I would have known, because it would have been kind of like this. But I'm gonna have to try to wash this. It got my pen mark and everything else on it. Baby, put my notebook down. So yes, I have another notebook. I have buku notebooks, but this one for my business. Cause you in my business. Stop, Avery.
Don't do it.
Don't do that. A yard tag and some other items coming, so that way when I get ready to hang the tags up around our community, they know who to come to if they wanna, order in person. I prefer them to order online. You like this? This is going to be on both doors. Huh? Why? You done with cooking?
She said she told us to open the link. It said we had to help out today. And we didn't have to meet up this because she said we couldn't.
So guys, stay tuned for more. I'm gonna show y'all the more. But I'm about to go show my husband my items. He was downstairs putting the baby to sleep, so about to show him and figure out who have more work and be more consistent with these videos. I got videos posted for back to back, but it's the kids channel that now I am focusing on. I am trying to balance myself out. Happy Wednesday. Stay tuned for another video if I don't add more to this one. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Also, be sure to subscribe to the Coleman Crew Kids channel. Bye.